Losing weight and keeping it off is a challenge for many individuals. It's a widespread problem that impacts countless people all around the globe. Sometimes it seems like you're fighting an uphill struggle to get to a healthy weight and stay there. Frustrated by the lack of progress, they attempt a plethora of diet plans and exercise programs. A lot of people lose up because it's so discouraging to keep going through the same cycle of hoping and failing. The secret to lasting fat reduction, however, rests in knowing and optimizing your metabolism. Many people have a skewed understanding of metabolism, but it plays a critical part in how our bodies absorb and use energy. Metabolism is the collection of chemical processes that occur in your body to keep you alive and functioning. Decomposition of food, energy production, and cellular and tissue healing are all part of these processes. It's like a never-ending fire that powers our thoughts, our breathing, and our physical activity. This fire has to be fanned correctly to ensure it burns efficiently and effectively. Losing fat and keeping it off becomes simpler when your metabolism speeds up. This is because your resting metabolic rate is directly proportional to your speed. Just how can one increase their metabolic rate? It's not only about eating less and exercising more. But here's the problem: merely decreasing weight doesn't ensure fat loss. Weight loss may happen from shedding water, muscle, or fat. The objective should be to decrease fat while keeping muscular mass. If you're not cautious, you might wind up losing crucial muscle mass, which can actually slow down your metabolism in the long term. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue. The good news is that by adopting the appropriate tactics, you can accelerate your metabolism to destroy fat while keeping and even developing muscle. This comprises a mix of good diet, strength training, and cardiovascular activity. This video will dig into the science of metabolism and present you with practical strategies to improve yours for sustained weight reduction and a healthier, more energetic you. We'll investigate how various diets, workouts, and lifestyle choices might affect your metabolic rate. Hydration is crucial. Drinking adequate water might help your metabolism work normally. Dehydration may slow down your metabolic rate, making it tougher to burn calories. Eating adequate protein is also vital. Protein has a larger thermic impact than fats or carbs, meaning your body requires more energy to break down it. This may assist improve your metabolism. Incorporating strength training in your program may help grow and maintain muscular mass. The more muscle you have, the greater your resting metabolic rate. Activities like yoga and Pilates may also be good for preserving muscle and flexibility. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. Quality sleep is necessary for a healthy metabolism. Lack of sleep may disturb your body's chemical balance, resulting to weight gain and a slower metabolism. Managing stress is another significant component. Chronic stress may lead to hormonal abnormalities that badly influence your metabolism. Finding methods to relax and unwind might help keep your metabolism in balance. Setting reasonable objectives and measuring your progress may keep you motivated. Remember, lasting fat reduction is a slow process. Celebrate minor accomplishments along the road and remain dedicated to your long-term health. By knowing and optimizing your metabolism, you may reach your fat reduction objectives and live a healthier, more energetic life. It's not just about the number on the scale, but about feeling your best and living your best life. Join us as we explore the intriguing realm of metabolism and uncover the tactics that may help you unlock your body's full potential. Together, we can solve the metabolism riddle and pave the route to a healthy future to successfully manage your metabolism. It's vital to comprehend the foundations of how it operates. Your metabolism comprises all the mechanisms your body employs to transform food into energy and use that energy for numerous activities. This energy expenditure is often classified into three components: basal metabolic rate, the energy used at rest for vital tasks, including breathing and organ function; thermic impact of food, the energy required to digest and assimilate food; and activity energy expenditure, the calories expended via physical activity. Your basal metabolic rate accounts for the greatest amount of your daily calorie expenditure, often about 60 to 75%. This rate is controlled by several variables, including age, genetics, body composition, and hormone levels. Understanding these components is crucial to carefully changing your food and workout plan to enhance your total metabolic rate. By concentrating on elements under your control, you may efficiently raise your metabolism and speed your fat reduction journey. When it comes to improving metabolism, nutrition plays a significant role. The choices we make in our everyday meals may either increase or hamper our metabolic rate. It's not simply about eating less or cutting down particular food categories. It's about making educated choices that support our body's natural functions. The food you ingest supplies the fuel that keeps your metabolic furnace blazing. Think of your metabolism like a furnace that requires the correct sort of fuel to work effectively. By selecting nutrient-rich meals, you guarantee that your body gets the required components to operate efficiently. By making intelligent food choices, you may dramatically alter your body's calorie burning capability. This involves picking meals that not only offer energy but also enhance metabolic health. Consulting with a nutritionist may help build a diet plan that meets your unique requirements and objectives. One of the most effective strategies to enhance metabolism via food is to concentrate on ingesting protein with every meal. Protein is important for muscle repair and development, and muscles are metabolically active structures that burn calories even at rest. Protein protein has a stronger thermic impact compared to carbs and fats, meaning your body expends more energy digesting and processing it. This process, known as thermogenesis, may assist improve your total calorie expenditure. Another crucial dietary option is to remain well hydrated. Water is vital for sustaining the body's metabolic rate. Processes include the breakdown of food and the delivery of nutrients. Water is needed for various metabolic activities, and even minor dehydration might slow down your metabolism. When you're dehydrated, your body struggles to work at its best, which may lead to a drop in metabolic rate. Aim to drink enough of water throughout the day, particularly before, during, and after exercises. Staying hydrated helps you lose weight, sustain energy levels, and promotes the body's capacity to burn calories effectively. And furthermore, integrating specific metabolism boosting items into your diet might make a difference. Foods like chili peppers contain capsaicin, which may enhance the pace at which your body burns calories. Foods rich in fibers, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, take more energy to digest and may help keep you feeling fuller for longer, lowering total calorie consumption. Fiber also contributes in maintaining a healthy digestive tract, which is vital for metabolic health. By implementing these dietary methods, you may give your body with the nutrients it needs to improve metabolic function and boost fat burning. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a range of nutrient-dense meals, enough water, and frequent physical exercise is vital to maintaining a healthy metabolism. Choosing tiny regular adjustments to your diet may lead to major increases in your metabolic rate over time. So start today by choosing mindful food choices that promote your metabolic health and general well-being. Protein requires a specific consideration in the context of increasing metabolism and sustaining muscular mass. It's not just another macronutrient, it's a powerhouse that plays a key part in your fitness path. Whether you're an athlete and a fitness enthusiast or someone just starting out, knowing the significance of protein may make a major impact in your outcomes. As discussed before, protein has a larger thermic impact compared to carbs and lipids. This implies that your body expends more energy digesting and processing protein than it does with the other macronutrients. Essentially, you're burning more calories just by taking protein. This thermic action may lead to a minor but considerable rise in your total metabolism. This implies that your body spends more calories digesting and processing protein, providing your metabolism a tiny boost. Imagine eating a great protein-packed meal and knowing that your body is working harder to break it down, thereby burning more calories in the process. It's like having a built-in calorie burning device. However, the actual magic of protein comes in its capacity to maintain your hard-won muscle mass, particularly while you're in a calorie deficit for fat reduction. When you limit calories, your body could start breaking down muscle tissue for energy, but with appropriate protein intake, you can avoid this muscle loss and guarantee that the weight you lose comes primarily from fat when you ingest adequate protein. You give your body with the building blocks it needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. This is especially crucial after severe exercises as muscle fibers are torn down and need to be rebuilt. Protein assists in the recuperation process, ensuring that your muscles come back stronger and more robust. This is significant since muscle is metabolically active tissue. Unlike fat, which stores energy, muscle burns calories even at rest. And the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. This is why gaining and maintaining muscular mass is crucial to a high metabolism. Unlike fat, which stores energy, muscle burns calories even at rest. This implies that by growing your muscle mass, you may boost your basal metabolic rate, which is the quantity of calories your body requires to sustain fundamental physiological activities when at rest. A greater basal metabolic rate leads to more calories expended daily, assisting in weight control and fat removal. The more muscle mass you have, the greater your basal metabolic rate will be. This is why strength training and protein consumption go hand in hand. By lifting weights and ingesting appropriate protein, you're not only growing muscle, but also boosting your body's capacity to burn calories effectively. This combo is a fantastic method for developing a slim toned body. Therefore, emphasizing protein consumption is vital for maintaining a high metabolism, keeping muscle mass, and attaining persistent fat reduction. It's not simply about consuming more protein, it's about making educated decisions and knowing how protein fits into your entire diet. Consulting with a nutritionist or utilizing a fitness app to measure your protein consumption may be immensely useful in ensuring you're reaching your daily needs. Aim to eat a source of protein with each meal and distribute your protein consumption equally throughout the day. This technique aids in providing a regular supply of amino acids to your muscles, enabling continual repair and development. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks, incorporating protein-rich meals may make a huge impact in your fitness quest. By making protein a cornerstone of your diet, you can feed your muscles, enhance your metabolism, and attain the slim, toned figure you seek. Remember, it's not only about the amount of protein, but also the quality. Opt for high-quality protein sources such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and plant-based proteins. With the appropriate balance and consistency, protein may be your ultimate ally in your quest for fitness and health.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.